Now, out on bail, a UAPA accused engineer Rashid has condemned the killing of Hassan Nasrallah, emphasizing the need for peace and dialogue. In fact, note this comes after both the NC and the PDP also expressed support to the Lebanon group, saying that Israeli action is beyond condemnable. It's Rashid engineer now who's condemned the killing of Hezbollah terrorist Hassan Nasrallah, who's highlighted that such actions only lead to further turmoil. Rashid's remarks align with similar statements that have been made from political leaders, including that by Mufti and Omar Abdullah, calling for a unified stand against violence. Listen in to that statement that came in from Engineer Rashid, in which he expressed condolences over the killing of Nasrallah by the Israeli forces.
जिंदगी एक स्ट्रगल है, जदोजहद है। मैडम क्या करती हैं मुझे उसे कोई गर्ज नहीं। मैं तो खुद जदोजहद कर रहा हूँ, इसलिए जब हमारा हर मिनट हर लम्हा स्ट्रगल है तो मेरे लिए कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता है। हम कंडेम करते हैं जो हसन नसरुल्लाह की किलिंग हुई। हम हर तरह के वायलेंस के खिलाफ हैं। हम इसलिए कहते हैं कि पीसफुल रेजोल्यूशन हर इशू का होना चाहिए ताकि मारामारी पूरी दुनिया में बंद हो। तो हम उन्हें खराज अकीदत पेश करते हैं, लेकिन हम ये समझते हैं कि जो हम दिन भर कर रहे थे ये भी एक पुरअमन पीसफुल सियासी स्ट्रगल ही थी।
In fact, not just this, NC leader Omar Abdullah has called on Prime Minister Modi to urge the Israeli forces to exercise restraint as far as an offensive by the Israeli forces against the Hezbollah group is concerned.
जो कल हुआ उसके बाद ऐसा लगता है जैसे पूरे क्षेत्रों में अब जंग के बादल जो हैं नजर आ रहे हैं। हिंदुस्तान की हुकूमत को, हिंदुस्तान के वजीर आज़म को, बाकी मुल्कों के लीडरान को इजराइल पर दबाव बनाए रख के वहाँ दोबारा अमन कायम करने की मुकम्मल कोशिश करनी चाहिए।
Let's go across to Arawat also. He's joining us live from Srinagar. Arawat, Hezbollah being a recognized terror group by the US, in fact by most of the Western countries. Why is it that Omar Abdullah as well as Mufti and now Engineer Rashid are sympathizing with a Hezbollah terrorist?
Yeah, absolutely, Samiksha. We have seen before yesterday that the Mufti has closed his campaign one day before the last day of the campaigning, and now we spoke to the engineer Rashid, and he also said that he is condemning the killing of Hezbollah chief, and it clearly indicates that the Kashmir-based political parties, whether it's National Conference, PDP, or engineer Rashid's Awami Ittehad Party, having the sympathies for the terrorists. We have also seen they have shown the sympathies for the terrorists also in the Jammu and Kashmir. Now they are also showing sympathies for the national and designated terrorists. It indicates that the PPTP's Mahbub Mufti and Umar Abdullah and now Rashid condolences the Nasrullah's killing. It indicates that they're having the soft corner for these kind of terrorism in the world. Yes, Samiksha.
All right, Arawat, thank you for the moment. In fact, let's listen into the reactions coming in from the BJP targeting both the NC and the PDP for being vocal about Israeli actions in Lebanon and Gaza, but not a word on the Jawans who are martyred back home.